Alright, so I'm going to leave the station and hopefully give you some sounds of the ship itself, and then use the camera to look around here. I guess people are complaining about those two lights up there are too bright. FD will probably fix that. Python speed. Of course I have it. So I can't hear my ship. All I hear is that other ship. Oh god, wait. Forgot, I'm kind of below centerline, probably. Thinking of yourself as being in the middle vertically is probably okay. Alright, so sounds. I don't know if I'm gonna like that. Anyway, sounds. Boost. Really need to dirty drive these thrusters. Guess I should make sure I'm not going to crash into the station here. Okay, oh, there's like a little antenna sticking up there. Alright, anyway, reverse. Full reverse 167 boost. And I turned flight assist off. Sorry. Let's try that again.
Flight assist on.
And boost. Alright, lateral thrusters up, down, left, right. To the right. I'll assume to the left is the same way. So that's how the thrusters sound. Alright, let's try this external camera here. Not that familiar with the cameras here. I don't want to see me. I want to see the ship. There we go. Trying to see if I can get any light on it. Where's the light coming from? There we go. Oops. There we go. Now you can see it. let's try free cam here. It's this one. You can see the 3 slots for the weapons. So that's where they are on the top. Can't see with those bright lights. I don't have my lights on. Yeah, I did. Sorry. See if I can... Nope, I gotta get out of free cam to roll a ship so you can see better. Nope, that wasn't it. I want to light up the bottom of the ship. Free cam. There's the bottom. You can see the slot for the SLF. It's probably that right in the middle, and then the cargo hatch, or the SRV. Not sure where the cargo hatch is. That's the cargo hatch.
Deployed.
Okay, so that's the cargo hatch.
Cargo scoop retracted.
Yes, dear. So maybe that's the SRV? I don't know. Maybe they're right next to each other. Flip back up so we're right side up. Why am I drifting down? Well, anyway, that's the Krait. You can see the side antenna array here. God, I'm so bad with these camera controls. Can't see those antennas. I have to flip the ship again. Alright, well, that's the Krait. Hopefully that helps anybody who's thinking about buying one. That's what it looks like, that's what it sounds like, and that's the speeds with pretty much stock equipment on it. Or at least the A-rated equipment on it, not much engineering. So hope it helped. I guess one other thing that might help is the A-rated levels for shields and all that. So this is A-rated, well, this is the 5A prismatic non-engineered plus 4 non-engineered A shield cell boosters. So 668 on the shield health. You can see the resistances there, hopefully. There you go.